Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chanel, and I just want to take you guys on a tour of our room. We made it into Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic yesterday, and let's go on the tour. We are in room 8505. It's the Preferred Ocean View Junior Suite. We're gonna walk in the door, and here you have your king size bed and a little nightstand lamps. And over here you'll have your flat screen TV with a espresso machine, and you guys can tell we kind of had a few drinks already. We made it in last night, so we're kind of getting situated a little bit. But anyway, so down here is a little mini bar area, and it comes stocked with water, champagne, Sprite. We actually drank all the Sprite, Coke, and a couple beers and orange juice. They also give you drawers where I guess you can just put clothes. It's not like in America where you can get like dresser drawers. It's a little bit different, but so you can just pull it out and put your clothes in here. It's also the same there. It's nothing spectacular. Now it does come with 3 apples, and you get little alcohol beverages like your Absolute Vodka, Cardi, what's this? Red Label, Pringles, and I think there was some M&Ms here, but my husband ate it already. Now this is the best part about the room. I'm gonna take you guys out on the balcony, and then you can see the ocean view. And then this is the preferred side of the hotel. So these are the bungalows right here. All of this is the bungalows, and then this is the preferred pool and the bar. There's also a restaurant over there called the Rosewater. But basically all of this is for the preferred club, and you also have quick access to the beach right over here. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So out on the balcony, you also have a seating area here. And on this side, you have a tub here. It's not a jacuzzi. I thought it was a jacuzzi when I booked the room, but it's actually just a regular tub. It is outside, and it is nice if you come, you know, on a romantic trip and you want to just relax with your spouse. This is nice, and it comes with also 2 tables. Okay, so we gotta come back in the room, and as you can see, there's 2 doors here, but there's a surprise on the other side of the door. You can see directly into the shower from your bed. Behind this door, of course, it enters into the bathroom. Large body mirror. And here's your 2 sinks. You have your his and her sinks. It also comes with a scale. I'm not sure if you want to actually get on the scale while they're on vacation, but hey, if you're all about that life, it does come with the scale. And they give you toothpaste, toothbrush, this is a razor, and shoe polish. The shoe polish. And what else comes in here? Get a little sewing kit, shower cap, soap, you know, all the little hygiene necessities that you may need. One thing I do not like particularly about this bathroom is they do not give you enough racks to hang your towels. But ladies, if you want to do your makeup, there's a magnifying mirror here, and it also has a light. Behind this door, so you have a toilet, and behind here is where you go into the shower. The shower is really nice. So as you see, you can see out into the bedroom. It has two of the large rain shower heads here. You also can use this for your handheld shower as well. But it comes with a little bench so you can sit while you're taking a shower, or if you need to shave or whatnot. But that's basically the room. And we're back at the door. And this is the preferred, oh sorry, I forgot to show you guys the closet. So here's your closet. Now the room comes with 2 robes and 2 pairs of house slippers. And also it comes with an umbrella. I didn't see that back here. There's an umbrella, there it is. And your laundry bag. So if you want to put your laundry and have the housekeeping do your laundry. And behind the second door is your safe. And they have a couple different shelves where you can, just make yourself feel at home. Here's the safe. And for whatever reason, ours do not work, so we have not had a chance to use this. This little area here is if you do not want your housekeeping to actually come in your room, you can put, you can put towels here, or if they're bringing something up for you, like maybe some food, they can put it in this little box area, and you can just get it from there. And then it also comes with a steamer. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's the room. And like I said, this is called the Preferred Ocean View Junior Suite. And we're staying at Secrets Cap Cana.